Misizulu, mzala wami, awumameli. Misizulu, mzala wami, ngakutshela ngathi yeka lo tshwala nalama drugs azokubulala. Yeka lo tshwala nalama drugs. Njalo nje mangumameli ukhuluma uhlala ushushu. Umahlala eshushu. Ngakubona lapha no King Charles. Uso umile mara ulele. So ngathi mudle imali yakhe. Kubona ukuthi hayi no uphelile ndoda. So Misizulu, ngakutshela mina, you are not at peace. Awuna peace Misizulu. And you are not humble like you used to when I lived with you here in the United States. You were very handsome, humble man, very considerate, just a cool kid. You're fighting your sisters, you're fighting your brothers, you are not at peace, Mrs. Zulu. I know bangisa, niyabanga. But the most important thing, Mrs. Zulu, is peace. I live in peace, America. Next. And I'm not chasing money. I don't chase the dollar. And live my life and enjoy my life and take pleasure in some of the most simplest things. You're worth $1 billion US. You can lose your life any minute. You're in the ICU from what I hear. Because Mrs. Zulu, you're rough with your life. You must eat well, you must sleep well, and you must be at peace. And be good to your people and not look for shortcuts. Ulingis Mswati. Mswati is running up and down with these Arabs. Chinese, Indian, Pakistani, selling the land of the Swazi people. We are doing the same thing, man. Ngibona lama Arabs niyehla uyanyuke uyehla njengomkenkethe njengomakhosetive. Mrs. Zulu, I will pray for you. I will put a prayer that you get well soon. You get out of this ICU and you heal. But from now on, you must learn how to conduct yourself properly on the throne. You can't live the lifestyle you lived before you went into that ICU. I will pray hard for you, Mrs. Zulu. You're out of shape. You don't exit. When you were here, Mrs. Zulu, you were fit. You were solid. Mrs. Zulu, una gout. Mrs. Zulu, you are not well. I could look at you and tell they are not well. Young one, I'm the fresh one. So once you get out of that ICU, I need to talk to you. And you won't return my phone calls. I need to talk to you, Mrs. Zulu. And stay away from that ritual murderer, assassin, King Mswati the third. Because that's part of the reason the Matimon